welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today I'm coming at you with another Stitch Fix unboxing. This is a very exciting Stitch Fix, one, because I haven't done one in a while because I haven't been filming or uploading videos in a while, but two, this is my first pregnancy, maternity related Stitch Fix unboxing, so I'm extra excited. I have my box with me right now. I did get it in the mail yesterday. They did release a new beta program. I don't know if it's available to everybody, but they've started doing fixes, which is what this is called, where the stylist picks 10 items and you can choose 5 of the 10 items to be sent to you. So I did do that. I thought I'd give it a try. I don't know if I'll do that every time because I kind of like being surprised, even though I don't remember everything I picked, so it's still kind of a surprise, but I thought that was kind of cool because some people might not like being totally surprised. They want to be able to at least pick some items. So that option is maybe becoming available at some point to everybody, or it might just be beta tested and then not do well, who knows. But I had that option this time, so I did it. I know that I'm receiving some maternity items and some non-maternity items. I am currently 15 weeks pregnant. I have definitely got a stomach going on. My pants no longer fit me. I mean, they kind of do, but very uncomfortably. I'm gonna open this. I will put a timestamp on the screen that you can click to get to the unboxing, but I will give a brief outline of what Stitch Fix is all about for anybody who doesn't already know. Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service where you create a profile and fill out a very in-depth style profile. And then you schedule your first fix, and a stylist with Stitch Fix puts together a box of 5 pieces of clothing that they think that fits what you're looking for, your style. And at that time you are charged a $20 styling fee. That $20 does go towards any pieces of clothing that you choose to keep from your box. Then you have to pay for whatever the difference is in what you keep. And then anything you don't want to keep, you send back in a prepaid envelope that is included in the box. If you send everything back, you do lose that $20, so just be aware of that. I always find at least one piece of clothing, if not more, from my box that I want to keep. I will leave a referral link down below that you can click on and join Stitch Fix, and you will get $25 off of your first box, which waives the styling fee completely, and that $25 does get put towards anything you choose to keep, so it's like a free $25 gift card for a piece of clothing. If you want to try it out, I also get $25 if you use my code. So a huge thank you to anybody who decides to sign up and give it a try. I've been subscribed for a few years now and have found some of my absolute favorite pieces of clothing from this box. They also do shoes, handbags, jewelry, so kind of any piece of fashion item that you could think of can come in your box. And then you can also exclude things you never want to receive, indicate things you most often want to receive, that kind of thing. So I think that's enough explanation. If I have forgotten anything, I will leave it down in the description box below. All right, my box is pretty small this time around, which is perfectly fine, means really nothing. I got my prepaid mailer envelope that I'll put off to the side, and then I also have 2 cards in here. I have a style guide and I also have a pricing guide right here, so I'll put that off to the side. And we have my little bundle of clothing. Ooh, okay, so right on top is the nursing sort of bra. It doesn't really look like a nursing bra. Maybe I just don't understand how it's supposed to fit. Okay, so here it is. It's like a sports bra. It's got some real thick straps in it. It's got this, I don't know if I'll be able to show it very well. It's got these, okay, it is a nursing bra. So this is the front of the bra, and it looks like you can, oh my gosh, would you look at that? Okay, I haven't noticed too much of a difference in my bust yet, but a little bit, like they're definitely heavier. So I'm pretty excited about this. There's like a tiny bit of padding in here, which I think is probably nice, especially if leakage happens and stuff like that. And it looks like there's clips on both sides. Okay, I'm really excited about this. This is the Modern Eternity Bella Active Maternity Nursing Bra, dark gray, size medium. So, okay, I'm pretty stoked about that. I hope that fits. Next is, oh, this is they call it a kimono. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's just this nice light piece of fabric. Oh, it's not, I thought it was sleeves, but it's not. Wait, yes it is, I think. Yeah. There's sleeves right here, I think. Wait, I'm not sure. What? It looks like half of it has a stitch for a sleeve and then this half doesn't. Why? Was that a mistake? Was it supposed to be stitched on both sides? Let me find the tag. Let's see. So this is the Emery Park Cali Open Kimono Light Blue. Maybe I'll get a better idea when I look at the style guide how it's supposed to be styled, but I don't really love that it looks wrong. So we'll see. I mean, it's definitely a really pretty color and it's a really pretty pattern, but if it doesn't look like it's structured right, so that's weird. What do we have next? Oh, next is just a maternity top. So this is just a top that's got the stretchy stomach area, the cinching right here. Let's see, this is the Market and Spruce Alma short sleeve maternity knit top, gray, size medium. This is definitely very soft. It looks like it would fit really well. It's really long. So I feel like I would be able to wear this with leggings. I mean, I guess if once my stomach gets big enough, it'll stretch out quite a bit, but okay, this is really soft. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, okay, most of the stuff that I ordered, that I chose was maternity related, because this is another one. This is the Full Moon Sophie Maternity Back Detail Knit Top, olive size medium. So this is the front of this one, so you can see we have the maternity stitching on the sides, and then this is the back. This is really pretty. I do worry, I'm already kind of like I sweat, and in the summer when I'm at the height of my pregnancy, I'm sure I'll be extra sweaty, and this is definitely a thicker, like it's a very nice material, but it's definitely a little thicker and very warm, so I worry about keeping this item. But I do really like this. So we'll see. We'll see how it feels and fits on. And then finally, the thing I was kind of most excited about is the leggings. So these are longer than I was expecting, I think. These are just some black leggings. Monica Maternity Ankle Leggings, black size medium. So they have the band that stretches above, wow, really stretches above the stomach. And then they're just black leggings. They look like they'll come down below, like right below my calves, which wouldn't be that bad. Let's check out the style guide first. Yeah, the kimono looks like it's missing a stitch. So I'll probably just try it on, just throw it on, but that's disappointing. Cool. Okay, so my stylist is different this time. It's Stacy. I don't know if I got switched stylists when I switched to a maternity kind of fix. Before I had the stylist Morgan, who I was really enjoying, but that's fine. They have different stylists for the different types of fixes, then that's perfectly fine with me. So in case you're curious, this is what the style guide looks like. It comes with a note from my stylist and then how to kind of style each of the pieces that they sent. And then we have the pricing guide of everything. Ooh, wow, okay. Really not that bad at all. Okay, so the leggings are on my lap right now. These are the most expensive thing in the box. These are $48, which I think kind of makes sense. Next I have the olive green Full Moon Sophie Maternity Back Detail Knit top. Yeah, knit top. Okay, this is $34. And then the gray, I think this is the Market and Spruce Alma short sleeve maternity knit top. This is $38, so a little more expensive than the green one. And then we have the kimono, which I won't be keeping. Is this the Emery Park one? Yeah, Emery Park. This is $34. And then finally we have the nursing bra, which is by Modern Eternity. And this is $35. So everything is under $50, which is nice. And most of the things are under $40, which is really nice. Not too bad at all. So the total cost of everything in my box is $189. If I were to purchase everything, I would get a 25% discount, which would bring the total down to $141.75. I do have some credits for people who've used my code in the past, so big thank you to anybody who's used my code at some point to sign up for Stitch Fix and give it a try. It helps me out, and it's gonna help me buy some maternity things. It is time to try everything on, and I'm gonna show you what all the pieces look like on my body. Okay, so I have on the leggings, which go all the way up to right under my boob area, and then I also have on the nursing bra. Both are really comfortable. The leggings are extremely comfortable. They do in fact go right above my ankles. I don't know how comfortable these will be in the summer when it's super hot outside, but I mean, you can see I've already got a bit of a baby bump going on, and all my pants are fitting very tightly, so these are really comfortable. I think I'm probably gonna end up keeping these because there's definitely lots of room to stretch. And then the nursing bra also is pretty comfortable. I'd like to hear any recommendations, if anybody, kind of anything maternity wear wise, if you have any recommendations, things that you love. This is a little tight up here. Like, it's not, these look like they would be really comfortable, but it's kind of, they just kind of sit uncomfortably. I like that you can unclasp them and take them down, but I kind of feel like there might be better options out there. So I really like the concept of this, and it's not super uncomfortable, but it's not the most comfortable. And again, I feel like I've seen a lot of them where, here, I'll kind of, you can unclasp right here and then pull it down for feedings, and it does it on both sides. But again, I just feel like there might be better options out there. So I might keep this in mind since I've been able to try it on, but again, it's just not the most comfortable. So if you have recommendations, let me know. So I'm gonna keep the leggings on. Actually, I'll just go ahead and I'll throw on the kimono, but again, I think that it is, well, here, when I put it on, hopefully you'll be able to understand what I've been trying to say. We've got an armhole right here, right? But there's not one on this side. So I think that somehow a stitch was missed right here. Yeah, because it should go like that. And this would be really cute and comfortable, but I'm not about to put a stitch in myself. Like, that shouldn't be necessary. So I think this was somehow just an oops. That's gonna go back, and I'll leave a comment when I send it back letting them know that, hey, a stitch was missed and this is not a functional piece. And all I have left are the two tops, so I'll go ahead and throw these on real fast. This is definitely, oof, wow, that makes me look very pregnant. If I fully pooch out, got a big belly there, but this is just standing like normal. Yeah, I don't think this is very flattering. I mean, you know, I know I'm supposed to look like I have a bump. It's basically a dress. Yeah, this isn't very cute. This is gonna go back. This is definitely cuter than the last shirt. We've got the nice detailing in the back. This one's cute. I do like this one. It's not super tight in the armpits, which I like. If it's too tight, then I just sweat through like immediately. I like that it's loose. There's definitely space here, that if my chest was to grow a little more, there's plenty of room there. And then as my stomach grows, trying to push out, there's plenty of room here. And I don't hate the way this one looks, even though it's very long. I feel like this one's pretty cute. I mean, I guess I can just like pull it up so it's not super long. I like this one. I kind of like the green one. Okay, this one I'm feeling a lot better about. The leggings I'm absolutely loving. These are probably gonna now be my go-to. So if you have any other maternity legging recommendations, please let me know, because all of my pants hit like right here and just like push right here, and it's so uncomfortable. So any recommendations you have for bottoms that don't feel like they're gonna cut into your stomach, I would love to know. Okay, let me put back on my regular clothes, and then we'll go through kind of my final thoughts and what I think I'm gonna keep, what I think I'm gonna send back, and all that jazz. Okay, so some final thoughts. I'm definitely gonna keep the leggings. I have a feeling I'm gonna live in these until I find another pair of bottoms like this that are comfortable enough to wear. So definitely keeping these. I think I kind of fleshed out my thoughts enough on the maternity bra. I just feel like there's probably better ones out there that for me I'll like more. And ones that are a little more comfortable in the straps. These ones are just, I mean, they're not uncomfortable, it's just not the most comfortable. So any recommendations, I'd love to hear below. I didn't like the way that this light gray maternity top looked, so this one is gonna go back. It is really soft though, so that's kind of disappointing, but not my favorite. This, I'm gonna leave some feedback letting them know that it is not stitched correctly, which is kind of odd. I think there's only been one other piece again, I've been getting these monthly for years now, and I think there's only been one other piece of clothing that I've gotten that's been stitched a little weird that I left feedback on. So I'll leave some feedback, and they're always really responsive and really nice about stuff like that. And then finally, the green top, I think I'm gonna keep this too. This is really comfortable, very soft, it's loose enough, lots of room to grow. I love the color green. This kind of dark green is one of my favorite colors, and it's, you know, it's got a little bit of snaz with the cool detailing on the back. 2 out of 5 isn't bad at all for a new stylist. I know that sometimes when you switch stylists, it can take some time for them to get to really know your style. All right, so that is my unboxing today. I hope that you enjoyed. If you would like to try Stitch Fix for yourself, I will leave my referral link down below that you can use to get $25 off of your first box, which basically makes it risk-free. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And if you don't want to miss future unboxings from me, don't forget to subscribe. All of those buttons are right down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.